Hello everyone. In this video we will talk about solutions for friends who encounter MeChat something wrong with loading the story error. Although we do not know exactly what caused the error, it is seen that such an error is encountered by many users. Therefore, we may encounter such an error due to a software-related issue. Also, outdated application can bring various errors like this. That's why we're going to show you a few suggestions on how to fix the error. The fact that the application is not up to date can cause us to encounter various errors like this. You can check for us to update the application by searching MeChat from Google Play Store or App Store. If a new update is available, you can check if the problem persists by performing the update process. The problem with the cache files can cause us to encounter many errors. To fix the cache issue, we can clear it to be configured. You can follow me to clear the app cache. If you are an iOS user, you can clear the application cache by following the step in the article. The problem that occurs in the application can cause us to encounter various problems like this. We may need to reinstall the app for us to fix in-app errors. Completely uninstall the MeChat app from your device to reinstall the app. Run the Google Play and App Store application, type MeChat in the search screen and check if the problem persists by reinstalling the application. Software problems in the new version can cause us to encounter various errors like this. We can fix the bug by getting the old version so that we can fix the software issues in the new version. Download the old version of the MeChat application by clicking the link in the article. Download the old version available in the link. First, uninstall the MeChat app installed on your device. Run the APK file you downloaded and start the installation process. After the installation is complete, check if the problem persists. In this video title, we have provided information on how to fix something wrong error in MeChat. For more fixes, you can support the channel by subscribing. See you in the next video.